So I'm gonna replace these boulders, and we're gonna use different boulders. And these boulders are gray ones, like a gray color. And it's kind of popular ones because it's very much available right here in this area. But let's look at it closer. Yeah, that's what happens. I mean, the rock starts falling apart by itself after like first winter. I mean, it's unbelievable. I mean, it's just this type of rock. I mean, it's just like right here already. It's gonna get into veins, the water, and in winter it's gonna pop out, and that's what's gonna happen. Some boulders are more durable, kind of have this white quartz, but still, I mean, it's gonna shatter anyway. So let's see a good example right here. We have on that side, let's see. So yeah, so that's what is happening with these boulders. Are kind of after the first winter, it starts kind of crumbling. I mean, it just apart. I mean, so it's right here. So it's very popular. I mean, in this area because these boulders kind of like very available. But from that area, I mean, it's right here. Yeah, these boulders. It just literally, it's just coming apart. So no matter how beautiful you're gonna do with these boulders, they're gonna just literally gonna go apart. It's like right here, it's already cracking. Everything is cracking. So some boulders are more stable, and it has a little quartz on the top, but a kind of white quartz. But if you look closely, it's already cracking right there. I mean, it's unbelievable. I mean, like 2 years and that's it. I mean, it's like right here, this boulder. Looks like it's in the beginning, it looks like it's nice, but when you look it closer, you see the line, it's already going through. So the water gets in, it starts freezing in winter, and it pops out. Literally, it's gonna break everything right here. So it's not even worth it spending money on doing the retaining wall with these things, but a lot of people do. So let's see. Let's see right here. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna redo. So these boulders, the ones I brought it, I mean, it's much better. I mean, these ones is a quartz side, and it's very durable actually, and it's actually looks very beautiful. So yeah, so these are the boulders that I'm gonna use. I got more, and let's see. Yeah, I brought it more right here, which is, I like it a lot, and it's kind of nice. So we have to drop it on the street right there, and I have to bring it one by one to this side, and after that I was taking over there, and from that point I'm gonna take it back into the backyard. So anyway. Okay, so basically it's done. The only thing I need to fix a couple of things to patch it, some joints, and that's actually it. Yeah, I did a little bit terrace, you know, the bigger terrace right there. So it's gonna be a place for the barbecue.